Hi, this is a demo of the Wahoocorder, a modified version of a set-top box originally distributed by the Belgian cable operator Wahoo. So here is my setup. Here is the modified set-top box, a standard TV set. I'm powering up the set-top box. We have HDMI, an RF cable which is connected to an RF amplifier. We also have a cable modem with a Wi-Fi connection connected to the RF. The set-top box is booting up. This is my netbook and my smartwatch. As you can see, there is only Wi-Fi, no serial connection, no Ethernet. So just HDMI, RF and power. The Wahoocorder says it's loading, please wait. And I just got a notification on my watch. Yeah, sorry for the video quality, it's hard to get a good image. It gives 192.168.03 for IP address of the Wahoocorder, and it says the Wahoocorder has just joined the Wi-Fi network. Cool, and it has booted up indeed. So let's go to that address, 192.168.03, and here is a demo of what we get. So you're getting a web page with a few links, and the first one is the remote control. So you get an image of the actual remote control of the set-top box. Just looks like the original one, and when you click on the buttons, as you can see, the set-top box zaps or just follows the keys that you press. Notice that the LED is flashing, the LED which indicates that the IR remote key has been pressed. We also have a front panel. And now I'm zapping using the IR remote, and as you can see, the front panel in the web browser is updated in real time according to what gets displayed on the set-top box front panel. So everything is linked in real time, and if I put the set-top box to sleep, you get the time on the front panel, and you also get the time in the browser. I'm turning the set-top box back on. Okay, there we go. So the next demo in the browser is about the serial monitor. The serial monitor, as you can see, well, image quality is not very good, sorry for that. You can see that that you have text coming in, and when you zap, all the debug output that's sent to a port is reflected in the browser in real time. So you get all the set-top box logs in the browser. Okay, that's cool. So now we can combine the three screens. You have the remote on the left, the front panel at the top and the log at the bottom. And now when you click on a virtual remote key, the action is performed by the set-top box, which updates the front panel but also gives you the logs on the console. So everything is real time, both ways. Of course you can navigate the menus too with the remote control. Okay, that's cool. The next demo is about search. When you press search, the set-top box navigates to the search screen. There we go. And then anything you type in the browser field gets reflected on the set-top box by just navigating the virtual keyboard with arrows and enter key. And so it's much easier, of course, to type using a full-size keyboard than navigating the virtual keyboard with arrow keys. Delete works too, so you can perform your program selection using a much more user-friendly way. You also get a few low-level information in a specific page in the browser. For example, you get the DVB triplet, which is the internal ID of the channels, and this is fetched by parsing the logs in real time. The next demo is about what I called Wahoomotion. Wahoomotion is the official companion website of Wahoo. As you can see, you have a specific screen which has been added. The logo has been modified too, and in the screen you can specify the IP address of the Wahoocorder. Then when you go to the TV guide screen in the browser, and when you select a program, you get a new button which is Watch on Wahoocorder. And when you click on it, the set-top box just zaps. Select a program which is currently running, click Watch on Wahoocorder, and the set-top box zaps. You can also select a program which is in the future, and then the new button that appears is Schedule on Wahoocorder, which means that the set-top box will be configured to schedule recording using a manual recording. So it goes to the manual recording screen, and then it types all the program characteristics. The title is really not user-friendly, using a remote, because it's in SMS style keyboard, but the browser just sends the correct remote commands so that the text is typed, and then of course the channel was okay because it zapped to it, the begin and end time, etc., and the record is scheduled. Finally, there's one more feature. In the options box you have one feature which is called follow zapping, and when you enable it, it goes the other way, which means that the browser follows what you have on TV in real time. So when you zap using the standard IR remote, you can see on the PC screen that you get the details of the program you're currently watching. So zapping, the box zaps, and the browser zaps too. So this is completely bidirectional. Either you zap using the guide or you zap using the remote, but in any case all remains synced. Thank you for watching.